this is what happens when you don't give up. It's this stupid thing. Couldn't think for the life of me. How do you get this thing off? Look, one little hook right here. And these two are just guides that go up in. You see? It just locks into place. That's it. See that? So once you know how to do it, look how easy this is. This pops out. Look, I sat here, fought for that thing for 10 minutes. You better thank me, okay? I'm saving you all this time and money. This too. As soon as I put some stress on this to take it off, this just popped right out. Now, what I find funny is all the pins are staying because it is 90 degrees out in the beginning of June, and what I'm doing is taking this panel off just because I want to be able to get to that camera back there. And I'm going to unplug these guys because I need them out of my way. See you later. I will put them back, by the way. So let's get the rest of this out because this thing will start closing on us if we start pulling hard enough, and I don't want to do that because the stupid thing's unlocked or unhooked. And voila. So for the most part, these pins are actually pretty tight. And yes, use two hands. Hold the door, because if you got the power lift gate, as I do, hold the door and then pull on the panel. And this goes outward. So it goes toward the front, just like you would do a window on a regular door. So this just jams in, like hooks around. So you pull outward. So you see, these guys decided to stay. So there isn't many clips. They're actually pretty tight though. Well, I got one here, I gotta get out, one there, and one there. They all decided to stay. So let's go take them out and show you how to put this thing back. So if I could try to do this with one hand, it's gonna be tough. So this, you can get an idea of it, goes up, get out of the way, up and in, and it hooks. I'm not gonna be able to do it with one hand, so, but you get the idea. You have to make sure this guy hooks, so you wanna put this in first as you line them up and push it back in. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.